You're not lazy. You're addicted. And until you understand that, you will keep hating yourself for a problem that was never about willpower. Look at your life right now. You wake up tired. You grab your phone. You scroll for just a few minutes. And suddenly, it's been 30 minutes. Your mind is already distracted. Your energy is gone before the day even begins. So you tell yourself, I'll start later. But later never comes. Because this isn't laziness. This is a hijacked brain. Your brain has been trained to choose comfort over effort, dopamine over discipline, easy over meaningful. Every scroll, every short video, every quick hit of entertainment is rewiring your brain to avoid the hard things that actually build your life. And that's why you feel stuck. Not because you're weak, but because your system is broken. And today, we fix it. Here are 5 steps to take your brain back. Step 1. Cut the instant dopamine. Right now, your brain is overstimulated. Social media, short videos, endless content. It's too much. So for the next 7 days, no mindless scrolling, no random content, no cheap entertainment. You don't need a break. You need a reset. Because a distracted brain can never build a focused life. Step 2. Reintroduce boredom. This is where most people fail. They are afraid of silence. The moment things get quiet, they reach for stimulation. But boredom is not your enemy. It's your reset button. When your brain gets bored, it starts craving real work again. So sit in silence. Go for a walk without your phone. Let your mind slow down, because clarity only comes when noise disappears. Step 3. Do the hard thing first. Every day, you avoid the one thing that matters most. And every time you delay it, you train your brain to escape discomfort. So change the rule. Wake up and attack your hardest task immediately. No phone, no distractions, no warm-up, just execution. Because the longer you wait, the weaker your control becomes. Step 4. Control your environment. You think you lack discipline, but your environment is built for distraction. Your phone is next to you. Notifications are always on. Temptation is everywhere. So fix it. Delete the apps that waste your time. Turn off notifications. Create a space where focus is the default. Because discipline becomes easy when your environment stops working against you. Step 5. Never negotiate with yourself. This is where everything changes. Every time you say, just 5 more minutes, just 1 more video, I'll start later, you lose. Not because of the action, but because of the identity you're building. You are training yourself to quit. So from today, no negotiation. When it's time to work, you work. When it's time to stop, you stop. No emotions, no excuses, just control. Listen carefully. This is not about productivity. This is about taking your life back from the things that are controlling you. Because right now, you don't lack potential. You lack control. And the moment you take that control back, everything changes. So decide, are you the person who keeps escaping? Or the one who takes control? Because both lives are built daily, one decision at a time. And if you're ready to take your brain back, comment, I'm in, and subscribe. Because this is where discipline begins.